Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're gonna install some interior LEDs on the CRV. We have a sponsor of the channel. They sent me these, Oxito, and we're gonna install them. These are the interior LED lights, and I'm gonna have a link down below and a code. You can get 15% off anything on the website. So let's get these installed. See, they have some heat sinks on them. Pretty nice. I think all you need is a screwdriver and we'll get to the car. Alright, now we're in the car. There's gonna be two right here. One right here and one all the way in the back there. See that? But you only need 4, so I think this kit comes with 4. So we're gonna take our small screwdriver. There's these little tabs right here. There's 2 of them. We'll just put up there and try to pry out on it. Okay, I went to go get a little bit bigger screwdriver here, and then put it in here, and then pry out so you don't damage the bezel right here. Let's see if we can get this other side here. One hand. Alright, so I got that out. Here we are. You just kind of push it right here and it'll pop off just like that. So here you see inside the bulbs just pops off like this. There's a couple of clips, and then we'll just remove these out here. You can use a flathead too to help you out if you want. Okay, and then we'll put the new ones in. And I don't believe they have a particular way of going in here. Alright, got that in. Probably would need to be angled. Once this cover's on there, you want it to point out. But let's test it. Oh, it works. Alright, it'll be the same for this one rack here. There's 2 tabs. You just pry it out. It comes out this way. Replace that one, and we'll do the rear one. And then we'll do a before and after shot at night. So. Alright, so we got both of them in with the cover. Now I'm gonna put the stock piece back in here. And test it out. They both work. Now I'll get a nighttime picture as well. Or video, I mean. And then same thing with the back side here. There's just 2 tabs here. You just flathead in there. I usually get in there, wiggle it a little bit, and then you can pop it out with a little bit of leverage. I try not to put any pressure on this lip so it doesn't damage it. So take this one out here. Yep. I put the new one in, and this one's all in, and it works. Should be the same process for the rear. And got the rear knocked out, so all of them are all installed. Super easy install. Only probably took like maybe a little more than 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes. Get you a nice shot here, and see you before and after. Alright, this is the before with the OEM LEDs. See how bright it is here. It's not bad, but this is the before. Then we're going to show you the after right now. Alright, and here is the after just for the middle dome light. Look at that. How much light's already there. Open this. So much more light. The map lights aren't even on yet. Wow. So much brighter. These are really nice LEDs. And there you go. Thanks for Oxedo for sponsoring this product. I'll have my link down below. And use the code DANGLE for 15% off. Thanks for watching, guys.